This is a tutorial for Joyful, Joyful, We Adore Thee, this time as an accompanist. So when you play as an accompanist, you do not need to play the melody. You play a chord in the right hand, and left hand plays the root note of the chord down low. So I'll show you the chords. You start on a G chord, B, D, and G. Joyful, joyful, we. That's a D chord, A, D, F sharp. Adore thee, God. There's a G chord again, B, G, B, D, G. Out of glory, Lord of love. Back to D, G again. Hearts unfold like flowers. That's a C chord, C, E, G. Before the opening, a G chord again, B, D, G. To the sun is a D chord, A, D, F sharp. Above, G, B, D, G. Melt the clouds, D, G goes D, G like this. Melt the clouds of sin and sadness. Drive another D chord of the dark. That's a B chord, B, D sharp, F sharp. Of doubt, there's an E minor, B, E, G. Doubt, oh, that's A7, A, C sharp, E, and G. Away, another D chord, A, D, F sharp. G chord again, B, D, G. Giver of immortal gladness. Immortal is a C chord. Back to G and fill us with the light is a D of day. Very, very simple. Then all you have to do is add your root note down low, which is easy to remember. It's the note the chord's named for. So when I'm playing my G chord here, I'm playing a G note down low. When I'm playing a D chord, I'm playing a D. When I'm playing a C chord, C, and so on. So work on it hands alone, and put it together, and this is what it sounds like. Joyful.